Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at how leading business schools are researching the impact of automation and task delegation in the business environment. In this snapshot, we look at how these technologies are revolutionizing the way companies manage processes, optimize employee time, and improve decision-making. We will explore studies from Harvard, MIT, Wharton, and other leading institutions that show how technologies such as artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and digital twins are transforming the world of work. If you want to learn how to implement these concepts in your organization, join me on this tour. Harvard Business School has published a study showing how automation, specifically RPA, robotic process automation, can provide a competitive advantage. In this image, we see the results of this study, which indicates that RPA allows companies to reduce time spent on manual tasks by 30% and improve accuracy in data management. Companies that have implemented this technology not only reduce costs, but also free up employees to focus on higher-value strategic tasks. Here we see how an INSEAD study focuses on how delegating routine tasks to artificial intelligence increases productivity and improves job satisfaction. This study, based on data from 150 companies, shows that using AI for repetitive tasks increases productivity by 20% and allows employees to focus on creative and strategic activities. AI acts as a digital collaborator, helping managers make more informed decisions. The London Business School conducted an analysis on the use of digital twins in manufacturing. According to their research, companies that adopt digital twins can reduce maintenance costs by 25% and unplanned downtime by 15%. Digital twins make it possible to simulate operations and predict failures before they occur, improving efficiency and accelerating the training of new employees. MIT Sloan focuses on advanced analytics and big data as drivers of innovation. The analysis of large volumes of data enables companies to identify hidden patterns and respond quickly to market trends. According to the MIT study, companies that integrate advanced analytics into their operations manage to reduce analysis times by 40%, becoming more agile in their decisions and improving the personalization of products and services. Wharton has investigated how process automation is transforming the future of work. We see a summary of their study, which highlights the benefits of reducing labor costs and improving operational efficiency through automation. However, it also raises challenges related to role restructuring and the need for employee retraining programs, facilitating effective human-machine collaboration. In this image, we see a summary of how research from these business schools provides deep insight into the impact of automation and digital delegation. These technologies not only improve operational efficiency, but also prepare companies to adapt quickly to market demands. To maximize the benefits, companies must adopt clear strategies that combine automation with continuous learning and training. If you want to implement these technologies in your organization to optimize resources and improve productivity, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we can develop a strategy that maximizes your company's potential in a competitive digital environment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.